got a problem. This is my camera. This is the Canon Vixia HF R800. I love this camera. The sad thing is, my threads on the bottom got super stripped out. I believe this was a user error. I don't blame Canon for this. Fairly sure I did that. Like 90% sure that this is my fault. Anyway, we've taken a lot of attempts at restoring these threads. We have glued in replacement threads, and that's the strategy we're going to go back to, except this time we're going to glue them the right way. So that's our first problem of the day. I've also got other problems. These shelves, they're too high. The top one is, at least. And I'm tall, so when a shelf is too high, that's bad. And that's my third problem. The grass needs cutting. Mom hired me as her grass cutter instead of paying another guy. I've yet to figure out if that was a good decision on my part to take that job. I need the cash, so I guess it was a good decision. We're going to work on the shelves too high problem. This is the Canon T1i. It's a photo camera, so it gets bad audio. But this is a great photo camera. And if you use some kind of external sound recording source, then this would work just fine. We're trying to find out if this thing takes time-lapse, by the way. That's my question. Where would that function even be? It does not look like this takes time-lapse videos, which sucks because this would be a really cool time-lapse camera because of the cool photo quality it gets. Canon, this should take time-lapse. If anyone from Canon is watching my videos, I'd be very surprised. Those of you wondering why I don't take my video camera as my on-the-go camera, this thing has a weird ticking noise when you use its built-in microphone. I don't ever use the built-in microphone on anything anymore. You have to use an external mic. In fact, there's an external mic plugged into this right there. And so the external mic that I own for this is about a foot long. Its name is Daryl. Shout out to my friend Anna Kate. She named this Daryl. Anyway, most cameras have this onboard microphone mount. The Canon Vixia HF R800 does not have such a mount. It would go like this if it did. So in order to work that, we would need to use something like this. And then my on-the-go camera rig starts to look like this. I put getting the shot first, and getting the shot is more important than anything else. And it's going to be really hard to get the shot if I'm carrying around this 4,000-pound piece of equipment. And so I used the ultra lightweight camera that is the iPhone 8. And my external microphone, which was the topic of yesterday's video, is coming in the mail. Right now I'm using a lavalier mic taped to a flexible tripod. Not ideal, but it works. This is the kind of mic I'm using right there. In fact, this is the same brand and everything. To fix problem number 2. First things first, I apologize for whatever weird background noise starts to go off while I'm in here. There we go. I'm going to wait about 2 hours today. So maybe we've resolved this problem, maybe we haven't, we'll just have to see in about 2 hours. But for now I'm going to go resolve that other problem, which is... solid. This is a tripod head. Crap! Oh god, I didn't cap the Gorilla Glue. I keep doing stupid things. Okay. That looks good. I think we got it. It's unstable. Okay, I'm frustrated because this seems like it's a pretty simple problem to fix. This camera thread thing. But seeming simple is not being simple. Yes! Wow! Boom. 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 We may have fixed the camera. I'm tired. In about an hour, I'm gonna go check and see if we have fixed the camera. Turns out our fix earlier that I rejoiced over, well, I celebrated too soon. But, we got a fix, I think. Fingers crossed for that. I'm gonna go ahead and edit together what I have of the video so far. These are my editing headphones. Ooh, we have some serious Gorilla Glue expansion going on there. So what had happened was, I found this thing that usually hooks onto a GoPro, but it had a thread in it, right? So I'm like, hey Dad, maybe we could just like glue this to the bottom of my camera. And he's like, yeah, okay. And so basically what we did is we filed it down because it had these things that were sticking up that was making the glue uneven. And then we cut it a little bit so that it also to make it less uneven. And then we basically just glued this thing to the bottom of my camera. I think we did it. If we didn't do it, then, well, I'll complain about it a little bit in the next video.